Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Art where you can learn to pretty much draw anything and we make it easy, okay? Now today we're going to continue with our Halloween spooky drawings and we're going to draw a big ghost, okay? A spooky ghost. So let's grab all of our materials for art. Make sure you have a pencil or something to draw with. Make sure you got a marker. And any sort of colors or colored pencils or anything you're going to use today. Okay? So whenever you guys are ready, let's get started. Okay? Alright, we're going to start at the bottom of the ghost today. I'm going to make a couple ghosts, maybe like a moon in the background, a cool spooky scene. Okay? So we're going to start at the bottom of the middle of the paper. We're just going to have a kind of a curved line up. And it kind of like an S shape almost. Right there. Curve up and a little bit of a curve there. We're going to start again at the bottom of this line and kind of make our tail of our ghost. It'll come up, make it a little fatter, curve a little bit. We're just going to make it fat right at the top, kind of like a tornado looking shape. Alright, now we're going to draw the arms. So we're just going to have our ghost arms be like two kind of like hot dog shapes. One there, one here. And it's fine if they don't look exactly the same, guys. No worries. It's just a ghost. They move and flow like air, right? All right, now the head, we're going to kind of keep this curve up, and then we're just going to round the head, okay? I'm going to take like an upside down U. There, perfect. All right. Now let's give it some eyes, two circle eyes, and then a long oval for a mouth, like it's. There we go. Perfect. Now, maybe we can have like one more ghost here coming out from this spot. So we'll have our point here, so we'll have the other ghost tail start like here. We'll kind of have it curve that way. Like a very slight S. And we'll do the same line here. Have it curve in that way, so he's going to be flying off to the side. And the same thing, arms and a head. Do our arm, another arm here, and then a rounded shape for the head. There we go. Two eyes, and that long oval mouth. Okay, perfect. All right. Now let's just give us some scene, some different type of, some background. Maybe we can put a circle like the moon in the background. So maybe we'll make it behind this ghost. So we'll start at the top of his head and just kind of make a circle behind him. All right, perfect. All right, and I feel like we're missing something here. Maybe we put one more little ghost coming this way. So we'll start at the bottom again, kind of an S shape, follow the S shape again, make like a tornado looking shape, and then we're doing those arms again, and a head. Two eyes, and long, spooky mouth. All right, I think that looks better with three. Great. All right, guys, so let's stop there. We'll make our outline. We'll fast forward through it real quick, and then we'll color it up. All right? We'll come back when we're done. Okay, happy coloring. All right, guys, we're all finished outlining and coloring our art. I hope your ghosts came out just as good, if not better than mine. If you guys notice, I just did some purple background to kind of give it some pop color and a little yellow for the moon. And you remember, you guys can color your ghosts any color you want. They don't have to just be white ghosts. Just make it your own and have fun with it, okay? Now remember to subscribe to the channel for all the newest drawings. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And please take it easy.